Hello and welcome to Backroads DIY. In my last video, I covered each of the 6 different settings here on our Intex Sand Filter. Talked about when to use them, what they each mean, what they each do, and I'll link that video in my description. But one thing I did not cover was the in or the neutral setting. So we're going to make sure our pump is turned off. Then we're going to switch the multi-port over here to in and talk about this today. So the in position is going to be used for whenever you are putting your pump away for long-term storage or winterizing it. As I said in the last video, there is a rubber gasket in here, and putting it into the neutral position allows all of that water to fully drain out of that valve. When you typically go to store this over the winter, you'll take this top head off of the tank, you'll separate the two pieces, and when you take that off, it will allow all the water to drain out of this valve, and that'll help lessen any kind of potential risk that you have for it freezing over winter and cause you problems the following year. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.